We now take you live to Charlie Dog, who is out in the snowstorm. Charlie, what can you tell us?
Hi, Cilo. It's really cold out here.
Charlie, what can you tell us about your conditions?
I can't feel my toes or my face. Really, my entire body.
No, Charlie, I mean, tell us about the conditions outside.
I'm flipping cold, Cilo. Why did I have to get this bit? Why couldn't Lucy be here instead? I'm freezing my tail off. Somebody call my agent. Somebody call the weather.
It appears Charlie is experiencing, weather. We will keep you up to date. Let us know how you are staying warm during this historic, extremely cold, very cold snow event. Yes!